Welcome friends, let us now learn how to use a smart card. A smart card is based on a chip. Smart card or any chip card is any pocket size card with embedded integrated circuits. The smart cards are made of plastic, generally with polyvinyl chloride. It provides identification, authentication, data storage and some application processing. Design of a smart card has the following characteristics. Generally, we should know it so that we can identify it. The dimensions are similar to those of a credit card. They look like a credit card. It contains a tamper-resistant security system and provides security services. It is managed by administration. The photo of a smart card is like it has this kind of chip where you can identify. It has this kind of chip from where you can identify or the company can identify ourselves. The advantages of using smart card. In 1999, Gujarat was the first Indian state to introduce a smart card license system. The purchase of goods, payment of bills and the other bank transactions can be performed easily and speedily with the use of smart card. The smart card technology offers transaction security too. There are some advantages of using smart card, and that is not to carry cash with you. It just not only stores the data but also process information. So that probably the most important benefit of smart card is their portability. Mobile communication, banking and retail, electronic purse or healthcare are the uses of smart card. It is used for identity verification and access control too. Thank you.